In this problem, I'm going to determine the number of zeros at the end of the quantity 45 to the 8th power times 88 to the 5th power. And we won't need to calculate the answer, or the number I should say. We just need to know some things about factoring. And the first thing we need to think about is the fact that 2 times 5 equals 10, and it's always going to be a power of 10 that adds a 0 onto the end of a number. So if there was just one power of 10, there'd be 1 0 in the answer, and if there were 2 powers of 10, then it would end in 2 zeros, and so on and so forth. So that's what we need to determine. So I'll start with 45 to the 8th power, or just even the 45. Let's just look at 45. 45 factors into 5 times 9. 5 is prime. 9 is 3 times 3. And there you go. So 45 is 3 squared times 5. And then I'll do the same thing with 88. And 88 is 8 times 11. And that's 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. All right. All right, now, I really don't care. Oh, undo. There we go. I don't care about the 3 and the 11. I do care about that 5, and I care about the 2, because these are the factors that multiply to make 10. So how many of these do we have? Well, we've got 45 to the 8th power. So that means that I have 5 to the 8th power plus a bunch of 3's that, again, I don't care about them. They're not affecting my answer. Then I have 2 to the 3rd power, but that's raised to the 5th power because that came from the 88. So this is 5 to the 8th power times 2 to the 15th power. Now, keep in mind, we need a 2 and a 5 to pair together to make 10. So, which one am I limited by? I'm limited by the 5 because it's got the lower exponent. So, that means that my answer, whatever number it is, when I multiply all of this out, don't know what it is, but I do know that there are 8 zeros at the end, because I could even write this out. Let me go to the next page. So, okay, so we've got 5 8s multiplied together. That gives me 5 times 5 times 5, 4 times 5, 5, and 2 more. There we go. And then 11 2's. Really could have done this while I was paused. Okay. I don't even know how many I have right now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there we go. That's perfect. Okay. So, now, how many pairs do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 3 more 2's left over, but if I can't pair them with a 5, I can't make a factor of 10 out of them. So we have 8 factors of 10, so our answer is 8 zeros, final answer.